Hello friends and welcome to a review of the Glen Induction Cooker 3081. This induction cooker helps you to save on electricity and cook without dissipating any extra heat in the kitchen from cooking. What makes Glen Induction special is that it has a high quality ceramic crystal glass that is easy to clean and can withstand heat. The heat is created with magnetic effect and is transferred to the pan directly, so there is no open flames or heat generated. This induction cooker is fitted with advanced double ring coil to give a maximum of 2000 watt power, which can be set at 8 different levels as per the cooking requirement. What makes this an amazing appliance is the touch control display panel that gives you ease of operation by just a slight touch. It comes with 8 preset cooking functions such as hot pot, roti, fry, soup, water, milk, steam and minimum. With the 4-digit digital display and a 0 to 240 minutes timer, you can set the precise cooking time. This sleek-looking induction cooker can be kept anywhere on your kitchen shelf. When not in use, can be kept in a drawer. The auto cutoff feature of this induction cooker is an added advantage, as this feature automatically cuts off the power supply after 60 idle seconds. With the Glen Induction Cooker 3081, there is no wastage of heat energy, as the energy is directly supplied to the cooking vessel. To sum up, this is a great appliance for your kitchen and has a great utility for students living in hostels, bachelors staying alone, and even families. Glen Induction Cooker 3081 comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.